Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to change the menu text size in WordPress in 2025. Whether you want your menu text bigger, smaller, or just perfectly balanced, this tutorial will make it super easy for you. So let's dive in. Access the dashboard first. Open your browser and go to your WordPress login page. You can log in using your Google account if that option is available. It's quick and hassle-free. Once you're in, look for the Edit Site option in your dashboard's quick links and click on it. This will take you straight to the WordPress site editor. Enter the site editor now. That you're in the site editor, your website layout will appear. This is where you can make live edits to your site, including your menu. Navigate to Menu Styling. Next, visually locate your website's menu and click on it. On the right-hand panel, you'll see a Styles tab. Switch to that. This is where all of the design magic happens. Adjust typography within the Styles tab. Find the Typography section. Here, you'll see controls for your menu text size. It could be a slider or an input field. Simply adjust the size to your liking, and you'll see the changes in real time. Play around until it looks just right. Finalize changes. Once you're happy with your new menu text size, don't forget to save and publish your site. And that's it. Your menu now looks exactly how you want it. And there you would have it. A quick and easy way to change the menu text size in WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.